All right, so you're going to go to Photoshop and you're going to make yourself a 5 by 7 or 7 by 5 by 150 transparent. Then you're going to go to week ending 129 and there is a picture in here called Fall PNG. Now, if you copy and paste it, it's going to copy and paste in black. So I need you to save the image to your desktop. And then you need to go to Photoshop, go to File, Open, click on it, and it will open your the picture. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to finish this off with color so that we can then add our headstone, and we're going to make smoky text and such. So the easiest thing to do at this point is to go over to our paintbrush. I'm going to make it a green color, and I'm going to go to a new layer. I'm going to change my size, which is up here. And then I'm going to make it look like trees. And I'm doing this very quickly. Once I've done this, I'm going to go to my paint bucket and I'm going to fill it in. Okay, so now if you can see, there are open lines for all of these tree trunks. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change it to black. And I'm going to make a new layer. And I'm going to end so that these should all be hidden once you So now if I go here and I'm going to choose a brown color. And I can go on here. All right, so now if I click here with my brown color, look what happens. All right, so Control Z to undo. I need to take this layer and this layer, hold down this layer, hold down the Control key, this layer, and we need to merge the layers. So now I can create a tree. Okay. You can zoom in so that you can get into these little spots. Or you can just use your paintbrush tool. Control 0 will take you out. I turn on my green, put it on top. I now have a tree. It's the hardest part. So now if I click on this guy down here, I should be able to click on the green, and I'm going to make some kind of blue sky. If you want to make it nighttime, you can pick a gray sky. And I'm going to click on it. It will come up blue. All right. So now you need to, like I said, I selected a green. I can be on this layer unless you're going to do blending and such, and you can click on it. And then I'm going to make it a little bit less. For this part. And then basically you just need to fill in everything else. Fill in your pumpkins, fill in your fence, your cat, and you will have a scene that you have created. If you have any questions, let me know.